That poor Hagrid has been doing her best to pump both of those screaming children. We're now 3 weeks old. Yeah. Understandably, she's tired. If you follow us on Instagram, you may have seen that Tandy ran into her nest box lip yesterday and made herself throw up everything she's eaten. Today she is feeling much better. We had her in the recovery cage overnight, and we're just going to leave it set up for tired moms with big babies right now because Ellie's squeakers are running her ragged. Well, more specifically, Sativa is running Ellie ragged. And, well, you just saw Hagrid's children. Hagrid is over here taking a much-deserved rest after recently having fed them. I have my own precious little bothers. Hi, Thistle. Thistle is going to be 5 weeks old tomorrow. Elliot is on my head. I don't know if you guys can see Elliot. In the mess that is my hair. Also, I have an indica. Those two may try to come down any time now, but in the meantime, Betty and Hagrid will be feeding them. So, as we do with all very large babies, we'll be keeping a close eye on Hagrid. Starting yesterday, we have been adding safflower to their seed for the fat content. We have also started going entirely dishless since we have the mesh to clean up seed. And having no dish allows all the breeding pigeons who are by nature, I'm sorry, Oliver, who are by nature ground foragers, to spread the seed pile as thinly as they like to find their favorite. This way they don't feel it necessary to compete with each other. There is a slightly higher fat content to their feed, so that will hopefully help Miss Hagrid bulk back up. We finished round 1 of worm treatment on Tuesday. Today is Saturday, by the way. We will begin round 2 of treatment this coming Friday. So if there's anything making Hagrid's job a little bit more difficult from the inside, we'll be clearing those out. We had an absolutely massive influx of squeakers. We had 10 on the floor. I'm sorry, we had 10 total hatch. And there were only 22 adults in the loft, so suddenly that took us from 22 to 32. And that's a lot more birds to feed. Betty, leave your wife alone. Let her eat. Let her drink water. Let that Hagrid drink water. And go eat food. I'm sitting here next to the food instead of by the door so that I can more closely monitor what exactly the pigeons are looking for in their seed. You know, aside from the safflower. Everybody likes the safflower. But I've been wondering if there just isn't enough of something they need or like. And so far what we've seen most of the adults pick out is the red Milo. We've seen the babies pick out the white millet. Because they like small seeds. Hey baby, you feeling better? Can I do a sip? Unfortunately, it's Georgia outside right now. So we keep getting the error that the phone is too hot and video quality may be affected. We may just not be able to do 20-minute phone videos this time of year. I may also just have to take off the cover while I'm filming. Oh, that's warm. That should help dissipate the heat a little. Emilio, you've Hagrid alone. Hagrid's allowed to eat food. Look at that cozy thistle. Also, please forgive the blowing noises. I'm trying to prevent my phone from overheating. But yeah, we're definitely not going to be able to make it to the 20-minute mark. We're just going to try for the 10-minute mark. May just not be feasible to take long-form videos now that it's not cool outside anymore. We're also waiting on the arrival of a new rescue, which we hope to be temporary. We really need fosters in place for non-native and domestic doves, because I'm not set up to house them long term. I can intake and evaluate them, and that's about all I can do. Alrighty, yeah, I'm not gonna push it past the 10-minute mark. Ow! That was my ear, buddy. That was my ear, Elliot. So, in addition to our clients and adopters and our apprentices in companion breeding and rescue work, I would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter. We are the Ramsey Loft on all platforms. For your contributions, both financial and intellectual, God bless. And we will see you tomorrow with hopefully a longer form video.